uncomfortable. Let's give them treatment. The kitten is having inflamed eyes and looks uncomfortable. Let's treat its eyes. Fleas on the stray kitten can make it itchy. Let's help it get rid of the fleas. The kitten's body is also infected. Let's apply some drops. Look! The kitten is feeling much better now. The examination is complete. It's totally healthy now. Let's feed it. Wow, it's ready to be adopted. So adorable. I really like it. Can I take it home? Of course. Let's get familiar with it. Pet it and it'll be happy. It seems to be fond of you. Choose a delicate gift for it. Aim at this little animal and take a picture of it. Congratulations! You have become its owner. Please take good care of it.